What's going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett back with another video, man. And in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down on the charts, man, how I made $10,000 in 2 days, man. Two, dos. So it was an exciting time, man. I had caught a great trade on Euro AUD, and another super quick trade on GU. I mean, literally 30 minutes, man. I was in and out, made over 3%, man. So I'm gonna be jumping on the charts, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the breakdown. If you like this video, man, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Hit me on Instagram. It will be in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment below, man. Let's get on the charts.
All right, so we on the charts, man. So I trade two pairs, Great British Pound USD and Euro AUD. So let's just break down Euro AUD. This is where I made the $7,000 on. Last week's candle, we had a huge bearish engulfing that closed below this candle, engulfed the body of this candle, and we also broke below this weekly support area at 159. So I was pretty much waiting on a retest of this as resistance and then a continuation to the downside, right? A simple break and retest setup, nothing crazy. So we dropped down to the daily. This was Monday's candle, right? And this was Tuesday's candle. So I caught my first entry on Tuesday. And just to show you why I was bearish, like I said, we did break below this weekly support, and I was waiting for a retest as resistance, but I was thinking that it would continue to the downside because we had to push, pull back, push, and we had a break, right? A break, like just a minor break of structure. And so the market pushed back up to retest, and then we continued on making a new low. So we made a low, and then we made another low breaking structure, right? And then price pushed back up, pull back, and now we done made a new low, right? So once the market got into this area, my weekly resistance area, I dropped down to the 30-minute. I actually seen this candle right here get rejected on the 30-minute, and I usually wait for a second retest before I enter the market. So I went to sleep, price pushed down, came back up. When I got up in the morning, price was around this area. So I just took an entry right here. I just make this line, and it was at 81, right? That was my entry. And my stop loss was back 25 pips. Matter of fact, I'll just throw the risk to reward tool on there, because I actually scaled into this entry, this trade twice. And then I had a 25 pip stop. And you can see that the market barely, almost came to take me out. Here, I set in a lot of drawdown, and I was monitoring the trade while this was happening. And I knew that if price was rejected off of this weekly again, that we would probably roll over. So I played around for a minute, and then we finally got the huge bearish engulfing to close. And so I hit this, it hits my H4 support area, right? So let me just show you why I marked this line off. So we had this structure area right here on the H4. So I was looking for a break here, and I said, okay, once price breaks this H4 area support, then I'll take another entry for the short. So by that time, I was already up a 2-to-1. Price had already gave me a 2-to-1. So usually when my trades are up a 2-to-1, I pull my stop loss up to break even. So this trade was risk free. And so I'll show you the candle that I entered on once price broke. So I actually entered right here off of this candle. And I set in some drawdown. I'm gonna give you the exact price. So I entered right off of this candle right here, this bearish engulfer. And the exact price was 158.39. So 158.39 even. And I was also risking 25 pips on this trade as well. So I did sit in some drawdown. That's just a part of the game. But I end up taking profit at 71. And the same for this one, 71. And I could have held a little longer for it to actually hit my daily. This was my daily support area. This zone and this blue line is actually the daily support line. So I end up, catching a nice risk to reward on this trade of 4.43 to 1, and then also it's like a 2.72 to 1 on this trade. So combined, it was 7%, $7,000 on a $100,000 account, and that was a nice trade. And you can see that price just dumped off, and it went all the way down to my weekly. So I was actually projecting price to go down here, but I didn't hold because it's been plenty of times where market didn't hit structure and I didn't take it and it didn't just quickly reverse. So I just took price. I just took profit at structure, man. Who can complain about a $7,000 day? So that was the first trade. Second trade was the next day. Quick trade, super easy trade. I trade GU as well. So this is what made me go long, right? So on a weekly, we had this bearish W forming, right? And if you know anything about bearish W's, then there's always a pullback and then a continuation short, right? So we made a low here, pushed up, made a a lower high, pushed down, made a new low, lower low, and so we should be pushing back up to make another lower high, and then a continuation to the downside, right? So this week, my whole premise when I'm analyzing the market is I'm trying to predict next week's candle. So being that this candle was bullish, I said, okay, the market may be beginning to pull back, which we did. So I was able to catch a quick, nice little 3-to-1 trade on GU. It was super easy. So we had this bullish candle close yesterday. And also, I'll show you something. So it's a corrective pattern. Sorry, getting a little away from me. We broke out, right? We came back to retest barely, and then we pushed up, and then we spiked back down. And this is how the market like fake people out, man, because everybody's seen this bearish engulfing, and they assumed that GU was going to continue to go short, right? We did short for a minute, and then we pushed all the way back up. Mostly everybody that went short here probably had stops here. So once these stops got hit, you can see the market just took off, right? So this is where I caught my trade this morning. And it was literally quick 30 minutes, man. I was in and out. So price broke above my daily, right? This was daily resistance. And like I said, another just break and retest. Super easy. Price broke above, came back to retest, and then we shot to the upside. And I literally took this trade right off the spike of this 15-minute candle. And my entry was 132.71. 719, and I was risking 20 pips on this trade, and my take profit was 133.45, right below my daily, right? And also 133.50, a psychological level. So a quick 3.65 to 1. I mean, it was quick, super quick, man. So as soon as I seen this rejection off of this candle, you could have waited a little longer and you got the engulfing right after it. But, I was confident that it was going to continue to the upside, and it literally just shot to the moon real fast. Hit my take profit, and it registered so fast that, my balance on MT4 didn't even update because it happened so quickly. So that was a great trade. Like I said, all combined, it was 10 grand made in 2 days. So I was super proud of that, man. So I'm going to show you guys on my Forex funds. And like I said, this is a live account, right? My Forex funds is a $100,000 account. And these were the 3 trades right here. These last 3 trades. A buy on Great British Pound USD and 2 sales on Euro AUD. Showing you I made 36.55 on GU, 27.16 and 44.49 on these trades, right? Which I think all combined it came out to like $10,700 change. But it was a phenomenal 2 days. it's we only halfway through the month, but I'm pretty much done after this, man. I want to take the time off, spend time with my family, rest, and just get regroup for next year, man. So I will show you guys. I'm gonna try to put a screen record on the actual trades on my MT4 on my phone, so you can actually see the profits. But that's it, man. I really didn't go in depth, but it was, like I said, it's simple, man. I like to keep my trading super simple. It was a super simple break, retest off of a major area of structure, and I took the trade. Break, retest, continuation to the downside. Same with GU. It was a break of structure, pull back, retest, and then it shot to the moon, man. So these were two phenomenal trades. I hope this helped. Got any questions, man? Leave them in, drop a comment. If you want to see more analysis videos, drop a comment. Like, subscribe, man. I'm thankful for all the subscribers, all the new subscribers, and the traction that this channel is getting. So I appreciate that. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description below. If you on Twitter, I'm on there. I'm rarely on Facebook, but that's in the description below as well. Just continue to grind, continue to get better. All pressure, all precision, all performance, man. Y'all have a phenomenal rest of the year, man. Enjoy the time with your family. Get some rest, relaxation, because 2022 is on. All right, we grinding, and we going up to new levels, new heights, all that good shit, man. So I'll see y'all next week. Y'all have a phenomenal week. Let's get it.